Sahi al-Bukhari is a collection of hadith compiled by Abdullāh Muhammad Ibn Ismā al-Bukhari rahimahullah. His collection is recognized by the overwhelming majority of the Muslim world to be one of the most authentic collections of the Sunnah of the Prophet. It contains roughly 63 hadith, with repetitions, in 98 books. The translation provided here is by Dr. Muhsin Khan. Imam al-Bukhari is known as the Amīr al-Mu'minin in hadith. His genealogy is as follows. Abdullāh Muhammad Ibn Ismā ibn Ibrāhīm ibn al-Mughīrah ibn Bardizbah al-Bukhari. His father Ismail was a well-known and famous muhaddith in his time and had been blessed with the chance of being in the company of Imām Mālik, Hammād ibn Zaid, and also Abdullāh Ibn Mubārak. Imam al-Bukhari was born on the day of Jumu'ah, Friday, the 13th of Shawwal 194. His father passed away in his childhood. At the age of 16, after having memorized the compiled books of Imam Mālik and Abdullāh Ibn Mubārak, he performed Hajj with his elder brother and mother. Imam al-Bukhari first started listening and learning a hadith in 205. And after benefiting from the ulama of his town, he started his travels in 210 FT or D8A. His memory was considered to be one of a kind. After listening to a hadith, he would repeat it from memory. It has been known that in his childhood he had memorized 2,000 hadith. Imam al-Bukhari imposed conditions which all narrators and testifiers in the hadith chain must have met before a hadith was included in his book. 1. All narrators in the chain must be just 2. All narrators in the chain must possess strong memory, and all the muhaddithin who possess great knowledge of a hadith must agree upon the narrator's ability to learn and memorize, along with their reporting techniques. 3. The chain must be complete without any missing narrators. 4. It must be known that consecutive narrators in the chain met each other. This is Imam al-Bukhari's extra condition.